Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a game-changing solution for all of you who struggle with meal planning and prep. We know how hectic life can get, so we've got you covered with easy and delicious breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas that you can prep in no time. Let's start with breakfast. Introducing our scrumptious overnight oats cups. Simply combine rolled oats, your favorite milk, a dash of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Give it a good stir and let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, grab one of these ready-to-go cups, add your favorite toppings like nuts, berries, or a drizzle of maple syrup, and voila! A nutritious and delicious start to your day. Now, let's move on to lunch. Our mouth-watering mason jar salads are the perfect solution for a quick and nutritious midday meal. Start by layering your favorite salad ingredients, like fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and grilled chicken. Then, top it off with a homemade vinaigrette. Screw on the lid, and you're all set. Simply grab a jar from the fridge in the morning, and you've got a vibrant and satisfying lunch ready to enjoy. Finally, dinner time. We've got a fantastic recipe for a versatile and flavorful chicken one-pan meal. Season your chicken breasts with a combination of herbs and spices, then sear them in a hot pan. Add in your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. Let everything cook together until tender. It's that easy. With just a few simple ingredients in one pan, you'll have a delicious, balanced dinner that's perfect for those busy weeknights. We hope you love these effortless weekly meal prep ideas. Remember, preparing your meals in advance saves you time and stress throughout the week. For detailed recipes and more meal prep inspiration, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.